Hello dear students, welcome back to my science class. Today we are going to continue with the chapter Nutrition in Animals. Already in the part 1 video we have discussed about the 5 steps of nutrition. If you have missed that, you can see the video first and the link of which will be given in the description box. So let's get going. Today we are going to learn about human digestive system. In human digestive system, there are two main parts. What are those? Alimentary canal and digestive gland. So, basically, human digestive system comprises of alimentary canal and digestive glands. Now, let's take a look at the alimentary canal. Alimentary canal comprises of mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. Already we have read about the 5 steps of nutrition in our previous video. So mouth, that involve in ingestion of the food. Mouth helps in some mechanical and chemical digestion. What is mechanical and chemical digestion we will learn in the later part of this video. Followed by esophagus. Esophagus is also known as food pipe. Okay. Then stomach. Stomach also involved in mechanical and chemical digestion. Then small intestine, chemical digestion and absorption. Large intestine, absorption of water, and rectum and anus. If we take a look at the figure of the alimentary canal, see it is begin with mouth, right? Mouth is having salivary gland within it, followed by esophagus or the food pipe, then stomach, then small intestine, then large intestine. It is ended up with rectum and anus. There are several glands you can see, that is liver, pancreas, salivary gland. We will discuss about this in next part. So digestive gland. There are 3 main types of digestive gland, that is salivary gland, liver and pancreas. Liver is the largest digestive gland. Right? So, what are the main digestive gland? Yes, you are right. It is salivary glands, then liver, then pancreas. There are some other glands also like gastric glands and intestinal glands. But in this chapter, we will mainly study about salivary gland, liver and pancreas. Now mouth. Mouth mainly comprises of salivary gland. There are 3 kinds of salivary gland. What are those? Parotid gland, sublingual gland and submandibular gland, along with tongue and tooth. This comprises our mouth. See, mouth also called oral cavity or buccal cavity. Digestion of food starts in mouth with the help of saliva, tongue and teeth. Saliva is important to lubricate our mouth, help in swallowing, protect our teeth against bacteria and aid in digestion of the food. Now the question is, how saliva helps in digestion? Saliva contains an enzyme, namely salivary amylase. Okay. These enzyme breaks the starch into simple sugar. Whenever we eat rice, that means we are taking starch. So, salivary gland act on it and salivary amylase break the starch into simple sugar. That means digestion of food starts in mouth. What kind of food digested in mouth? Yes, carbohydrate. So we have read about salivary gland. Next is tongue. Tongue is a large muscular firmly anchored to the floor of the mouth. In addition to its primary role in the intake and initial digestion of food, the mouth and its structures are essential in human to the formation of speech. You see, other than our tongue is moving, other than tongue is touching the teeth, and always our salivary gland keep our mouth lubricated, we cannot talk. So other than digestion, they play a really important role in formation of speech. A large number of small bud-like structures present on the tongue, these are called taste buds. They help to detect sweet, salt, sour and bitter taste. Next is teeth. Teeth help a person to eat, speak, smile and give shape to their face. Each type of tooth has a name and a specific function. We will learn about this. Teeth are made up of different layers, namely enamel, that is the outermost layer of the teeth. Then dentine, innermost layer, inner layer after enamel. Then pulp, that contain nerve and blood vessel, and cementum help the teeth to attach with the substratum. Enamel is the hardest substance in the body. It is even harder than our bones that is present outside of the teeth, that give shiny white color to our teeth. Types of teeth. There are 4 types of teeth in human being. What are those? Incisor, canine, premolars and molars. What is the number? How many teeth are present in adult human being? We know 32, right? How? See, there are 4 incisor in the upper jaw and 4 incisor in the lower jaw. So total 8 incisor, right? Then you can see 2 canine in the upper jaw, 2 canines in the lower jaw. So altogether 4 canines. Then you see 4 premolars in the upper jaw and 4 premolars in the lower jaw. So altogether 8 premolars, right? And 3 plus 3. 6 molars in the upper jaw and 6 molars in the lower jaw. So 12 molar. If we add this number, 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. 24 plus 8, 32. Altogether, we have 32 teeth, right? Now, types of the teeth. What are the names? Already we know. These are incisor, that involve in biting or cutting the food, canine for tearing the food, premolar for crushing and grinding the food, and molar for crushing and grinding the food. So in this video we have learned about the structure of the digestive system, that is comprises of alimentary canal and digestive gland, and we have studied in detail about the mouth. Next part of the digestive system will be discussed in the next video. Thank you.